he was fighting. Or he tell me, yeah, I just finished fighting. Da 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 da. Bitch, what? What do you mean you just finished fighting? Like, somebody did what? What? When? How? What? What do you mean? What the fuck do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? What the fuck do you mean? Hey y'all, welcome to my vlog. Today's like a different vlog. I'm gonna just give y'all like a money count. And we're gonna do like a little story time because this shit is crazy. Like, the night I just went through, y'all, was crazy. And like I said, I'm gonna show y'all the good, the bad, the fucking ugly of all this dancing shit. Shout out to Icy Minx. Snapped on my lashes, by the way. Yeah. Like, y'all, I really gotta give y'all a conversation, like, before I even get in the shower. Hold on. Don't mind my blanket. Let me get my money. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna do a money count with y'all. And I'm not even gonna lie, I'm about to just lay right on the floor. On my fucking blanket. Well, on my carpet. Not even lay, but just sissy money. Okay. So, y'all, I'm finna give y'all a story time, okay? Y'all, this shit is so beyond me. Don't mind my underwear hanging out. But, y'all, okay. So, let me tell y'all what been going on. Okay, so, y'all, if you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, though, for real. But, y'all, I gotta give y'all a fucking story time. I got this right here, and I got this right here. So, y'all, I'm just so fucking pissed off, like, for real. And it's not even about the money. It's about, yeah, I'm gonna tell y'all. So, today is now Sunday, January 21st, 2024. Baby, my birthday is January 22nd, 2024, tomorrow. And it's fucking January 21st, like 6 a.m. Bitch, hold on. Like, ugh. It's fucking, and I don't have no weed. That's why I'm really like, upset. Y'all, 7:03. So, I'm finna give y'all a money count, and I'm finna tell y'all how tonight went. Y'all, tonight was just, I don't know if I should count the money first or fucking just wait, because tonight has just been a night. Like, I'm just glad I went to this little private event, or this little, like, I got invited out to go, like, watch the game and dance, for this man that I knew or whatever earlier. So, I had went and danced for him, and I made, like, this, majority of this. Bitch, I made this, like, at the fucking little, at the hour. So, yeah. Y'all, I'm literally all over the place because I don't know where to start. And then it's hard for me to be vulnerable, like, especially with people I don't know. Yeah, I got a notification, but especially like with people I don't know. But I feel like we're here and I fuck with y'all and I can grow with y'all. Y'all, let me count these and then I'm gonna let y'all know what happened. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20. This is not 20. So I'm gonna just put this on top of this. 20. Y'all, people keep messaging me. It's 7 o'clock. Go to sleep. What are you doing? That shit is irritating as fuck. But y'all, so let me tell y'all. Okay, so Thursday, y'all remember that vlog I posted Thursday or from Thursday? If you haven't watched it, go watch it. Thursday, y'all, I fucking went to the club. Let me back up. Thursday, I invited somebody to the club to come see me. Mind you, he already was like, he don't really like be in the strip club and da-da-da. And I'm gonna insert fucking like screenshots so y'all know. He don't really go to the club and shit like that. So, long story short, this motherfucker come to the club for me. And I'm bullshit because he didn't tell me like I'm on the way. You know what I'm saying? Like the last thing I heard from him was he got to get his hair cut or whatever after he get off work, and then he gonna see type shit. So I'm not pressing it. That was like 3-4 hours before it was time for me to go to the club. So I didn't press it. Y'all, he texted me at like, because I did tell him though. I did tell him I would be there like 8 and I'll drop that or whatever. I was like, I'll be there like 8. But he texted me literally like going on 9. And he's like, he's here. Bitch, I'm at home doing motherfucking hair and makeup. What do you mean you're there? Like, what? You gotta give me a second. So I'm like, okay, I'll be there in a little bit. Da da da. He tells me like he got some haters type shit. Like niggas hating. They're on some weird shit. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. He like, we on the phone though when he told me he got some haters. So when he say that, I call him immediately because like what's going on? Like this is not the tea for like, this is not the normal tea for this type of club. So I call him, he giving me the drop or whatever. So I'm like, do you want to just wait in your car? Like I'm literally like 11, 12 minutes up the road. He like, hell no. You know what I'm saying? Because you know how that is. Like dudes not gonna try to act like they no pussy or whatever the case may be. So, y'all, why the fuck, fast forward 12 minutes later, I get there. Why the fuck this man is standing there with his shirt fucking, I'm talking about the collar of his shirt, baby, is like fucked up. But don't get me wrong, baby, he put in work. Everybody in the club told me he put in work, from the dance to the securities to the DJ. Everybody ever told me. Because they looking at me like I'm crazy when I walk in. Like, I had something to do with this shit. Bitch, I didn't have nothing to do with it. 20. I didn't have nothing to do with it. 20. So I'm like, 20. What y'all looking at me for? Y'all, it's 10. So, now I'm going to just do this one. Because I got big bills on this one, too. So, I'm like, y'all, what you mean? That's the only big bill I have. I'm like, y'all, what you mean? So, I get in there, y'all. They like, he was fighting. Or he tell me, yeah, I just finished fighting. Da-da-da-da-da. Bitch, what? What do you mean you just finished fighting? Like, so, y'all, let me get to the motherfucking tea as to why all of that makes sense for tonight. And while we edit, let me show y'all the money. Hold on. This is the money so far, too. That's 20. That's 40. That's 60. That's 80. That's 100. I still got this. And we still got this. And so, if you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe. Because I'm giving y'all a good story time. And I don't even like being vulnerable. Like, I don't even like talking to people, telling them what's going on in my life. So, yeah. But we're about to get back to it. Yeah. Okay. So, y'all, he like, they like, oh, yeah, he just got into a fight, da-da-da-da-da. I'm trying to straighten this rug out. They like, oh, he just got into a fight, da-da-da-da-da. Bitch, what? What the fuck you mean? Like, what? So, I'm gonna leave that right there. I'm gonna count this one, because this one's smaller. So I'm like, what the fuck y'all mean he just got into a fight? Long story short, y'all. Why the fuck? Let me get to the nitty gritty. Long story short, y'all. Why the fuck that same night somebody like fought him or like was being jealous and envious or whatever? Why the fuck somebody steal my fucking Cadillac converter off my car? Mind y'all, I have a fucking Audi. Bitch, look it up. Y'all know how much that shit costs? And then fuck all how much it costs, cause baby, I can get it fixed, like I was telling everybody, and why I fucking broke down before this video. Because anybody that knows me, y'all, I will not, like, I take a lot of shit to the chin. Like, it take a lot for me to get out of character, for me to like sit around and mope about some shit. Bitch, I don't do that. Like, I figure it out. You get what I'm saying? Like, I'm the type of female, baby, I'm gonna figure it out. Like, one way or another, it's gonna get figured out. I don't give a fuck. So, y'all. I don't like my hair like that. But, y'all, so, why they steal my Cadillac converter? I didn't know that, though. This was Thursday, mind y'all. Today's Saturday. Well, it's Sunday now, but I danced, and this money is from Saturday. So, why the fuck somebody steal my Cadillac converter? And I found out because, like I said, this money is from Saturday, so it's 7 a.m. Sunday morning. But I pull up to the club or the little after hour shit. My DJ, like, people I fuck with, whatever, he like, mind you, I just put up to the club Monday. So he heard and seen my fucking car. Everything good, everything. This nigga pull up today, and he was like, what the fuck wrong with your car? And I'm like, bro, I don't know. I think I ran over, like, a pothole or something. So he like, 7, 8, 9. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 20. So I'm like, I think I ran over like a fucking pothole or some shit. So he like, what light you got on your dash? So I show him. Phone about to die. So I show him the lights I have on my dash. He like, turn your car off, turn it back on. I turn it off and I turn it back on. Bitch, he's like, that's why your car's so loud. Somebody done stole your motherfucking Cadillac converter. Bitch, what? What the fuck? What? Huh? What? Run that back by me one more time. The fuck? What? Somebody did what? What? When? How? What? Yeah. He said that. I'm like, okay. You know how you hear it and you brush it off because you like, bitch, I'm having a good night. You know what I'm saying? You vibing. So you like, okay, whatever. I'll get it checked. I'll get it checked in the morning. Or I'll get it checked when I can, type shit. That's how I carried it. So I'm like, okay, whatever. So I had my homegirls that was with me. So they in the car chilling or whatever. And they turned on the heat. Or I forgot what it was. But long story short, one of the other men that be like, I thought, well, not one of the men that be at the club that saw my actual car Monday. This whole another dude from the after house spot that I was at. He like, turn your car on. Well, he like, what's that sound from your car? And I'm like, I don't even know. I'm telling him the same thing. I think I ran over a pothole, black ice, whatever. He like, nah, baby, it sound like somebody stole your Cadillac converter. Be for real. So at that point, baby, I'm getting furious. Like, I'm getting mad. I'm getting upset. What did Drake say? I'm upset. Cause what? Bitch, what you mean? Like, what the fuck do you mean? What do you mean? What the fuck do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? What the fuck do you mean? Yeah, let me count these because I can't multitask. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'm like, what you mean? I'm like, what? Is you dumb? They would never. Like, bitch, when did they have the time? Like, when did they have the time or the energy? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I'm like, what? When the fuck do they have the time? Like, baby, I didn't even go anywhere on a Friday night. Like, and it's my birthday weekend. When the fuck do they have the time, baby? Like, so he like, well, when did you go out? Da, 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 da. I'm like, bro, the last time I fucking went out was Thursday because I told you yesterday, which was Friday, or like when I was talking to him. I'm like, I told you yesterday that I didn't come out because it was like, it was messy and it was like ice and shit on the ground. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20. Oh yeah, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh. 18, 19, 20. So I'm like, when the fuck do they have time to like steal my Cadillac converter? So yeah, long story short, I didn't go anywhere. Like yesterday, I didn't even go to the club. I didn't go to the motherfucking store. I didn't go anywhere. Like literally, I walked to my fucking my rent office so I can get my package because all my stuff came. Shout out to Sheen. But all my stuff came for like my birthday trips and shit. And yeah, I walked to go get it because I was so worried like about that sound that I heard Thursday night. That's why I didn't go nowhere. And just to find out somebody stole my motherfucking shit. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Like, y'all, I'm so freaking upset. I'm not gonna, I'm gonna just throw that. Because I'm so mad. I don't even give a fuck about that. Oh, y'all, hold on. I did just get, I forgot. I got a fucking, let me get it right there. I got $100 from my friend. They gave me $100 bill. Type shit. So I'm gonna leave it right there. I almost forgot. But, y'all, I'm not done because, baby, this is crazy. So right now, let me give y'all a accurate count. So right now we have like 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So that's 200, 220, 240, 260. That 20 right here. 260, 360. So we're at 360 right now. Yeah, we're at 360 right now. Y'all, let me count the rest of this money. Cause y'all, I'm so discouraged. Like, y'all, not even discouraged, but like, I'm just so sad. Like, I'm really sad as fuck. Y'all, I had to fucking cry. Like, y'all, I just fucking got my lashes done. That was $100. I just had to fucking pay for my fucking room for my fucking birthday trip, which is this weekend coming up. Like, I'm just fucking sad. Still gotta get my hair done. Like, y'all, let me just count this money and we gonna go. Oh, but if you are watching and you made it this far, please like, comment, subscribe for your girl. Because y'all, be for real. Y'all, like, honestly, be for real. Like, y'all, I'm so, like, over it. But like I said, I'm just glad I got y'all a part of me with me for my journey, because if not, y'all, I would have just cried myself to sleep. Wouldn't even finish counting. So I'm going to just count it again with y'all. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 300, 360. So I gotta just count the rest of these. So we're at 360. Put my hair right here. We're at 360. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'm just making room at this point. Let me show y'all what it look like. This is what it look like so far. So, fuck. I think I just fucking, I don't know. I'll fix it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yeah, I cannot believe somebody really did that to me. Like, and then I gotta keep saying, y'all, my fucking birthday is in less than 24 hours. Like, be for real. Be for real. Be for fucking real. If you're gonna be anything, be for real. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And y'all, I'm finna eat the fuck out of my pizza. Like, I had bought some pizzas delivered Friday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And if you know, you know. Like, Domino's, it's best to just get their little special shit. Even if you don't eat 2 pizzas or get 2 of their little shits, whatever. I always just get 2 pizzas, or I might get a pizza and a pasta. But I ended up getting 2 pizzas because I was feeling really hungry. Yeah, and I'm glad I did because I got food in the crib waiting for me. No Waffle House, no nothing. Time to get me some food. Time to get me some. Oh, 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 oh. See, I got me feeling better. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So this right here is $13. I'm finna do a money count with y'all and let y'all know. This is 13. Let me see. 1 second. Let me get up. Bow, bow, bow. I can't even step. I gotta step through this shit. Type shit. Y'all comment and see how much y'all think it is. Y'all, my phone died. I don't like that. Because, baby, I'm ready to sit down and eat. But, okay. This is 13, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. Don't mind this hair. It's 200, 20, 40. Hold on, I gotta count over. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 20, 620. So, I leave 620 plus what? Yeah, I'm hungry. 620 plus what? Plus 13. Okay, let me see. Cause y'all, I'm bad at math. But whatever. 20. 40. 60. 80. 100. 20. 40. 60. 80. 100. 20. 100. I'm tired. Never have it ever took me this. Alright, y'all. My phone keep running out of space. And baby, I'm trying to go to sleep. And so, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. 20, 40, 60, 80, 300. 20, 40, 60, 80. Oh, I hate that. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 60, 80. 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20. Why I get 620 earlier? I don't know. 20, 40, 60. Y'all keep y'all comments to yourself too. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20. Alright, so yeah. It's 5:20. And yeah. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, baby. I definitely appreciate it. I know I want to say definitely or really, but I really and I definitely appreciate it. So, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.